With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is the capacitance of parallel plate condenser is C naught if dielectric of relative permittivity epsilon r and thickness equals to 1/4 of the plate separation is placed between the plates, then its capacity becomes C. Then we have to find the value of C divided by C naught. Okay, so let's suppose we have the capacitor like this at initial, whose capacity according to question is C naught, which can be given by the formula that is A epsilon naught divided by T. Okay, now a dielectric constant of relative permittivity epsilon r is inserted into it with the thickness of 1/4 of the plate separation. Means the thickness for this part according to question is d/4. So the remaining part will become 3/4. Okay, so for this part the dielectric constant is filled with permittivity of epsilon r, and for this it will be air. So in that case the capacitance becomes C. So that we have to find here the ratio of C by C naught equals to what? C by C naught is equals to what? So very simple. First of all we need to find this capacitance C. Okay, after inserting the dielectric constant. Okay, so let's say its capacitance C would become equals to A epsilon naught divided by D. Now we know that when we insert this dielectric as a partition, so in that case this capacitor will be braked like two capacitors are connected in series. Okay, let's suppose this is C1, this is C2. So for this capacitor, let's suppose the area is A and the separation means the width is d/4 and dielectric constant K is epsilon r. Similarly for the second one, the area is A, separation is 3d/4 and dielectric constant K is equals to 1 because there is nothing, that means air. Okay, so according to this the capacitance C1 can be given by C1 will be equals to epsilon r into epsilon naught into A divided by d/4. So this 4 will be go up in numerator like this. Okay, similarly the C2 capacitance can be given by epsilon naught A divided by 3 d/4. So obviously the 4 will go in numerator, so it will become like this. Now this C1 capacitance, okay, can also be written as C1 will be equals to epsilon r into 4 into epsilon naught A divided by D. In the place of this I can write C naught, which you can see here, initial capacitor, right? A epsilon naught divided by D. Similarly for this C2 I can write 4 divided by 3 into C naught. Now we know that when the two capacitors are in series, its equivalent capacitance will be calculated by the formula that is 1 upon C equivalent will be equals to 1 divided by C1 plus 1 divided by C2. Right? Now from here 1 by C equivalent, this would become equals to C1 is 1 upon 4 epsilon r C naught plus the C2 is 4 C naught, and this 3 will go up in numerator. Now after simplifying it we get 1 by C naught will be get common, while here in the bracket we will get 1 plus 3 epsilon r divided by 4 times of epsilon r. Right, so from here the required C equivalent, which will be equals to the actual C, this would become equals to C naught in bracket 4 epsilon r divided by 1 plus 3 epsilon r. Right, now according to question we have to find here the ratio of C by C naught. Okay, so if we take this C naught to that side, so this would become C divided by C naught. This ratio will become equals to 4 times of epsilon r divided by 1 plus 3 epsilon r, and this will be our required answer. Okay, now if we look to the option, okay, so option second, that is 4 epsilon r divided by 3 epsilon r plus 1 will become correct answer for this question. So this is the required solution. I hope you like it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.